Hey there, friends! Welcome to Everyday English Chat. I'm Sarah, and I'm so excited you're here with us today.
And I'm Mike. Thanks for joining us. We've got a great conversation planned for you today.
Before we dive in, I want to ask you something. How's your week going? I hope it's been wonderful. We're here to make your English learning journey enjoyable and natural.
Absolutely. And hey, if you're finding value in our conversations, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button. It keeps you updated with our latest episodes.
Yes, and if today's conversation helped you, give us a thumbs up. It really supports what we're doing here.
Also, think about someone who might benefit from learning English. Maybe send them this episode. Learning together makes it even better.
Perfect. So, Mike, I've been thinking, let's talk about how we spent our recent days off. I think our listeners can learn a lot from everyday conversations like this.
Great idea. I always find that real life stories are the best way to practice. So let me start. My last free day was really interesting.
Tell me everything.
Well, I woke up around 6:30 in the morning. I'm one of those people who loves the early hours.
Really? I'm completely opposite. I enjoy sleeping until at least 9 o'clock on my days off.
Yeah, I figured. But there's something magical about the morning silence. I went outside to work on my small garden.
You have a garden? That's fantastic. What are you growing?
I've got several tomato plants that are doing really well, and I've planted some colorful flowers, mostly reds and yellows.
Yellow flowers are my favorite. Do they require much maintenance?
They need regular attention. I water them every morning, and I spent about 2 hours pulling weeds and caring for everything.
That sounds therapeutic. Was it tiring?
My back definitely felt it afterward, but it was worth it. Being surrounded by nature and hearing the birds, it's incredibly calming.
I completely understand. There's something healing about being outdoors. What did you do afterward?
I was starving, so I prepared a substantial breakfast: scrambled eggs, whole grain toast, and fresh berries.
That sounds delicious. I love treating myself to a proper breakfast when I have time.
It really sets the tone for the day. Then in the afternoon, I went hiking on a local trail.
A hike? How long were you out there?
About 3 hours. The trail winds through this beautiful forest with towering trees. I discovered a small creek with the clearest water I've ever seen.
That sounds absolutely beautiful, Mike. I'd love to visit a place like that.
You should. It's wonderful for clearing your mind. Now, what about you, Sarah? How did you spend your day?
I did something completely different. I decided to explore a new creative activity.
Oh, what was it?
I tried my hand at watercolor painting for the first time.
Painting. That's awesome, Sarah. Did you discover hidden artistic talents?
Not exactly. I'm a complete beginner. Just like our viewers are developing their English skills, I'm learning to paint from scratch.
I love that attitude. What did you create?
I went to a local park, set up my supplies under a shade tree, and attempted to paint the pond there.
A pond scene. That's ambitious for your first attempt.
It really was challenging. Water is surprisingly difficult to capture. It's not just one blue color. There's greens, grays, and reflections to consider.
That's very observant. Did you complete it?
Sort of. The final result looks a bit unusual, but I enjoyed every minute. I listened to kids playing nearby and dogs running around. It was such a peaceful afternoon.
That's what matters most. The experience is more valuable than perfection.
Exactly. Afterward, I visited this charming farmer's market near my apartment.
I enjoy markets too. What did you find?
I picked up some locally produced honey and this beautiful purple candle that smells like lavender.
Lavender is so soothing. I keep lavender oil by my bedside.
It really is. When I got home, I lit the candle and read for about an hour. It was the perfect way to end my day.
That sounds incredibly peaceful. My evening was more social. I met up with my friend James.
Oh, James is great. Where did you two go?
We tried this new Italian place downtown. I ordered a vegetable pizza, and James got his usual, extra cheese on everything.
That sounds like James.
We spent hours just talking about life, work, our families. Those conversations with good friends are priceless.
They absolutely are. Friends make free time so much richer.
So that covers our recent day off. What about the next day?
The following day is always special for me because I attend my church service in the morning. That's an important part of your routine, isn't it?
It really is. Church gives me a sense of peace and community. My faith is central to who I am, and taking time for spiritual reflection helps me tremendously.
That's beautiful. What's the service like?
We sing together, the music always uplifts my spirit. Then our pastor shares insights from Scripture about living meaningfully and treating others with kindness.
Do you have a community there?
Absolutely. Many friends attend the same church. Afterward, we always spend time together, checking in on each other and offering support when someone's struggling.
That sounds like a wonderful community. I can see how much it means to you.
It provides me with strength and perspective, especially during difficult times. Having that spiritual foundation makes a real difference in my life.
Thank you for sharing something so personal, Mike. What about you? What did you do the next day?
My day is typically filled with family. Did you see your family recently?
Yes, I visited my grandmother. She's incredible.
How is she doing?
She's amazing. 85 years old and still so energetic. And she's an incredible baker.
Grandmothers always have the best recipes.
We baked brownies together. She has the secret recipe she's perfected over decades.
Did she share her secrets?
She walked me through everything. The right chocolate, the exact mixing technique, the perfect baking time. Her kitchen smelled absolutely amazing.
Did you eat them fresh from the oven?
We had them warm with cold milk, sitting at her kitchen table while she told me stories from her childhood.
Those stories are treasures.
They really are. She shared memories about her school days and her first job. I learned so much about her life.
Time with older family members is so valuable.
Afterward, I helped her with some technology. She wanted to learn how to video call her friends.
That's sweet of you.
It took patience, but she got the hang of it. Then she looked at my painting photos and said, "Sarah, that's a very creative interpretation."
That's a diplomatic way to put it.
I know, we both laughed. But it was such a fulfilling day. I left feeling grateful and loved.
That's what matters. You had creativity, nature, shopping, and family time.
And you had gardening, hiking, friendship, and spiritual reflection.
Even though our days looked different, we both found joy and meaning.
That's the beauty of having free time. You can design it around what brings you happiness.
Absolutely. Now, let's recap the key points for our viewers.
Good thinking. We discussed trying new hobbies and creative activities.
We talked about staying active outdoors and connecting with nature.
We definitely covered food, both cooking and dining out.
We also emphasized relationships, how spending quality time with friends and family enriches our lives.
You also shared about your spiritual practices and how they provide you with peace and purpose.
These kinds of everyday experiences make for the best English conversation practice.
Now it's your turn. We want to hear from you in the comments.
Yes, tell us, how did you spend your last free day?
Did you try something new? Visit someone special? Cook a favorite meal?
Maybe you explored a new place or finally relaxed at home. We're curious.
Writing your experiences in English is excellent practice. Don't worry about making it perfect. Just share your story.
Remember, making mistakes is how we improve. Every attempt makes you better.
If this conversation helped you today, please share it with someone who's learning English too.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, click that button so you don't miss our future episodes.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us at Everyday English Chat. We're honored to be part of your learning journey.
You're doing fantastic work. Keep practicing, keep improving.
We'll see you in our next conversation.
Take care, everyone.
Goodbye, friends.